The National Electrical Code, specifically NEC 2023, Section 352.24c2, addresses the maximum distance allowed between pull boxes or junction boxes in conduit runs. This regulation is particularly important for concealed work within finished buildings or structures. According to this section, for a 2-inch conduit, the maximum distance between pull boxes or junction boxes is 100 feet. This requirement ensures that conductors can be easily pulled and installed without exceeding the allowable pulling tension and to prevent damage to the wires. Section 352.24c provides additional details. Title, number and location of boxes. It elaborates on the placement of pull boxes and junction boxes in various scenarios. Subsection 2, concealed work, specifically states that in concealed work within finished buildings or structures, and in unfinished attics and roof spaces accessible to the installer after the work is completed, a pull box or junction box must be installed no more than 100 feet, which is equivalent to 30.5 meters apart in every run of conduit, electric, metallic tubing, or wireways. The purpose of these regulations is to facilitate easier wire pulling, prevent excessive strain on conductors, and provide access points for future maintenance or modifications to the electrical system. By adhering to the 100-foot maximum distance, electrical installers can ensure compliance with the NEC and maintain a safe and efficient electrical installation. Understanding these requirements is crucial for any electrician working on concealed electrical systems to ensure safety and code compliance.